Good evening. This is Vivek from Trade Stocks 360 and welcome to our channel. Today I will help you to understand how to trade 26th March 2021 in Indian markets. Quick recap of today. Today every sector was negative but for metals, and Nifty closed trade below yesterday's low. The close was at 14,346 points and it was negative candle. Bank Nifty also closed trade below yesterday's low. It closed at 33,006 and it was also a negative candle. Nifty 50 quick analysis. The price is below both 20 and 50-day moving average, but in hourly charts it is still a death cross is present. A death cross is seen when a 50 moving average cuts a 200-day moving average downside, and in the hourly charts this is present. Hence more downside can be expected in Nifty. Keep the 50-day moving average as a point to short the index. Means like if the Nifty goes up to 50-day moving average in a daily chart, then you can try to short it and it can go down more. Nifty has taken a support at budget day's candle stop. Budget day's candle could help it to do a retracement a little bit upside possibly. But whenever it goes up, you should be able to sell it off. Nifty 50 has turned to sell on rise. If there is a short covering to 14,750 to 14,1800 levels, we can think of shorting at these levels. Bank Nifty also has very similar setup, but Bank Nifty was very volatile today. It also had made a kind of a hammer kind of a pattern. So, but possibly if it starts positive tomorrow, it has a much better positive ride than Nifty 50. That's to be noted. Nifty Metal was the only sector which was positive today. It basically, and that to a very tad positive, it basically took a support at the pivot points and it actually made a good hammer pattern. Tomorrow, if the Nifty and the sectors are all starting positive, Nifty Metal should lead it, and it could possibly try to take the Nifty to higher levels. Stocks to watch on 26th of March 2021 could be Tata Steel and JSW Steel, which are metal stocks for buy. Tomorrow, if they are trying to go up, they could basically be leaders to try to take the stocks and the Nifty higher tomorrow. And Tata Motors and Reliance are very weak in the charts and they could be noted for sell side. Other inferences today being a monthly expiry, there was a very huge volatility on expiry day and prices were very volatile and it was all over the place. Ideally, tomorrow watch for the highs and lows of Nifty and stock prices. In the next week, when the prices cross and close above tomorrow's high or lower than tomorrow's low, then take a positional view to go either on the buy side or the sell side. So if we get a close above tomorrow's high sometime on Monday or Tuesday, we could basically try to take a positional view positively on that. If it goes negative side, we can actually try to take a negative view on that. Thank you. If you like my analysis, please do like, share and subscribe so that you can get everyday analysis videos. Thank you.